Hi. Today we're going to take a look at the TeamForge Subversion Jira integration. As you probably know, TeamForge has the ability to manage both Git and Subversion repositories. Today we're just going to look at the Subversion Jira integration, although similar capabilities exist for Git as well. The integration between Subversion and Jira provides both traceability between commits in Subversion and work items in Jira, as well as commit governance. When we look at a commit in Subversion, we can look at the associations and see the associated Jira work item. This traceability is viewable from both ends, and the links are navigable. So we can click on the link of the Jira work item and go directly to that Jira work item over in Jira. The Jira integration with Subversion TeamForge gives us a TeamForge tab on the Jira work item. This TeamForge tab shows us the associations between this Jira work item, in this case a task, and the code commits in TeamForge. And we can see here that there have been a number of code commits against this particular work item, including one here recently made for commit number 114. And this is navigable from this end as well. We can click this link and it will take us right back into TeamForge, back to that commit. The other thing that the TeamForge integration with Jira provides is commit governance. Governance is the ability to restrict commits based on someone providing a Jira work item. So in TeamForge, we can require that a Jira work item be provided. We can require that that artifact in Jira must be in an open state, or that the committer must own the artifact in Jira. I'm going to turn both of these on for this particular repository so we can see how it behaves. Now notice this is on a repository by repository basis, which gives you the flexibility of being able to choose the policies that work best for your individual development teams and individual repositories. Now that I've required a valid work item to be provided, let's make a commit. I've already made a change in my work area here in Eclipse, a code change. So let's commit that code change and see what happens if we do not provide a valid work item. We'll go into commit, and I'm going to put in a comment here that doesn't include a valid Jira work item and do the commit. And this commit is going to fail. So as expected, the commit failed because associations are required on commit, as we see here in the message. So we can redo this commit, only this time we will provide a valid work item. So in this case, we'll provide a valid work item that includes that work item in square brackets. So SIM3 is the Jira work item. We put that in square brackets. TeamForge knows what to do with that and goes out and makes the proper connection to Jira. So when we do the commit with a valid work item, we'll see that the commit goes right through. And we've committed a new revision, revision 115. If we go into TeamForge and refresh our view, we'll be able to see that change 115. And if we look at the associations on 115, we'll see that it made the connection to the SIM3 work item over in Jira. And likewise, if we go into Jira and refresh, we can see that the TeamForge tab has been updated with our commit 115 and who made that commit as well. Now, the other thing that we did was to make a was to require that the work item be assigned to the user making the commit. So let's go in and make another change to our source code. and do another commit, only this time we'll put in a work item which doesn't have which is not assigned to my user, and once again the commit will fail. So this time we'll pick Sim5, which is not assigned to me, and when I do the commit, again it will check, and the commit will fail because Sim5 is not owned by the committer. So we can see that my rule was failed there because of that. Now, if we go into Jira and we assign Sim5 to me, then that commit as well can go through. So we'll quickly assign it to me. We can jump back into Eclipse, redo the commit, and this time when we commit against Sim5 over in Jira, our commit will go right through. So, as you can see, the TeamForge Jira integration provides both traceability and commit governance for projects that are using Jira for their agile planning or tasking and are using TeamForge Subversion for their source code repositories. Thanks for watching.